Take a ride in the 2018 Journey. Dodge Journey combines the practicality of an SUV with the comfort of a car, all while boasting a style all its own. The Journey's optional third-row seat, along with innovative features like a chilled beverage cooler and in-floor storage bins, make it a good and affordable alternative to a traditional minivan and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, heated steering wheel, heated front seats, tachometer, universal garage door opener, Sirius XM travel link. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.